everything. They really got all kinds of good stuff. Literally losing my mind right now. I don't think my mom understands how I am about rocks. I love rocks. Oh my god, look at these rocks. I'm crazy about rocks. You don't understand. You just don't understand. Look at this. Look at that. Ugh, that's a beautiful rock. I'm like crazy about rocks. I'm the one that like puts rocks in my pocket all the time. I'm just talking crap. Check my pockets before I leave. I'm just joking. That's what I was trying to say. I'm like that kid who like be like, hey. Wow. Look at that. These are amazing. She's like me right now. Oh my god. What? I'm going. I'm getting hot, you know, because this is just perfect. I'm not really big on that. These are all like candle holder thingies. Here we go. This is that they gotta chain up these things because if people be stealing them, that's crazy. I've always wanted one of those, but I don't not that bad. This. That looks cool. Check this out. This guy's really only $7. She's gorgeous. $9. Wow. That'd be nice in a fishbowl. Or something like that, you know what I mean? $2.99. This is $33. I sound like one of them people from those commercials or shows. Look at these eggs. 20, all these 20 apiece. Little spears, this one. Mixed eggs, what? I like that one a lot.